Hello everyone, welcome to Jonathan Aviation, and today we have some plane ready to take off. So first up here we have the Air China Boeing 747-8. So it's lining up on the runway ready for takeoff, and followed by Air China we have China Airline right here and making its turn. So as soon as Air China take off, and China Airline here will line up the runway and prepare for takeoff also. And once again, thank you everyone for tuning into our YouTube channel, and it's a pleasure to have all of you here today. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get a new video update from our channel. And I'll have video of a real plane takeoff and landing, and also this die-cast airplane and the model terminal here for all of you also. So as we turn back a little bit, we have the Korean Air Boeing 777-300ER. So this one right here is ready to take off from our airport back to Seoul, South Korea. And follow it is the another Korean Air also. This is Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental also. This one right here is ready to take off to Busan, South Korea from our international airport here at the Jonathan Aviation. And followed by the Korean Air, we have Air India right here, Boeing 747-400ER. This one right here is ready to take off to New Delhi. And right behind Air India, we have Air taking off from Jonathan Aviation International Airport back to Taipei. So these planes right here just all lining up to take off. We have some of our planes here at the terminal. Some of these planes right here are just arrived from their country, and some are ready to return back to their original airport. Air France here is ready for pushback, so it will follow the AVIATION soon. And Etihad right here just arrived, so the passenger is still being disembarked from the plane. And this one right here, as when the all the passenger finish disembark the plane, we will tow it to put in the storage and have it there for departure flight back in a few hours. And then Lufthansa right here arriving from Frankfurt, so it will return back to Frankfurt in a couple of hours. Qatar Airways right here is arriving from Doha and will return back to Doha in about 3 hours. And Qantas right here, Airbus A380, will return back to Melbourne, Australia. And then China Southern will return back to Beijing, China in about 30 minutes. And British Airways here just arrived from London and prepare the passenger to disembark the plane, and then we will stow it away for later departure tonight. And Emirates right here just arrived from Dubai International Airport, and then Malaysia airline is ready to for pushback for return flight back to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Anna All Nippon Airway right here is still boarding the passenger, so it will return this flight back to Tokyo Narita Airport. And Korean Air Airbus A380 right here. We're still prepping the plane for the passenger to go back to Seoul, South Korea. And right beside it, we have the Asian Airline Airbus A380, also prepping for the passenger to aboard the plane and return back to Seoul, South Korea as well. And Singapore Airline here is finished cleaning up, so it's prepared for the passenger to board the plane, and it will be taking off and return back to Singapore Changi Airport. And Thai Airway here, Airbus A380 right here, will return back to Suvarnabhumi, Bangkok, the Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok, Thailand, in about an hour or two. Such a beautiful view from here, looking up beneath the wing of the China Airline, overseeing the Air China Boeing 747-8. Okay, so Air China is clear to take off, so we'll proceed on the runway and we'll return back to Shanghai. So now that the Air China just took off, China Airline proceed the runway and preparing to take off also. And once again, everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel today, and I really appreciate your support by watching our video. So this is it for today. So don't forget to follow us for more video update later on. And thank you, and goodbye from Jonathan Aviation International Airport. And I wish everyone a pleasant day, and we will see you again soon. Thank you.